Hi my friend, this is an honest review about the Moneta pan 28 centimeter diameter, 28 centimeter. I was astonished about the quality of this pan made in Italy from Moneta. Here I show you how is the size of this pan, and I'm gonna show you a chicken made raw, so a raw chicken with raw chicken, and a chicken that come from the sous vide. Now have a look how less oil it take to have an amazing product. Look, I put just maybe a tablespoon of olive oil, and have a look. Very quick she got to the high temperature. So this chicken is for my dog. I've got a Doberman, he's a raw fed. She likes a very slightly crispy chicken. She's like that. And have a look, few seconds, it doesn't stick to the pan. And have a look at this pan, what is doing. Have a look, here it's coming up. Just a few seconds, the cooker is hot. And the pan, boom, ready. Look, have a look. Now it's not cooked, but as you can see, it doesn't stick. Okay, it doesn't stick. It comes up very easily, and I can turn it very easily, very quickly, very easily. And for my dog, this chicken is ready like this. So keep watching, and I show you what happened from a chicken that has been put in a sous vide, that come from the sous vide. So this is my chicken for my dog. Okay, now I've got this chicken that have been in the sous vide for about 1 hour at 75 degrees. And I've got the video in my playlist on how I have done this backpack. So this chicken is now ready to get crispy. So here we go. We have our Moneta pan 28 centimeters, just a little bit of olive oil, and watch how beautiful, amazing result we have with this Moneta pan. Is here we go. Have a look. Mind that I just switch on the pan, and few seconds it's ready. Look, it doesn't take much. It doesn't take much. As you can see, the oil is spread very well all across. I'm taking also off a little bit with the paper, and now have a look. This beautiful chicken breast with this pan. So it's yellow because I used turmeric. Have a look. Beautiful. I'm amazed with the result of this pan. Here we go. This is coming, and so the chicken is nice and tender inside, full of flavor because has been put in the sous vide for at least 1 hour, and now it's become nice and crispy outside. And if you are waiting few seconds, if you have time, few seconds, I show you. Here we go. Now it's coming. It's just the matter to keep it crispy. And I turn, and you can see already how easily it is to take off from the pan and make it crispy. Look how beautiful. Boom. Nice and crispy. It doesn't stick, and you don't need to use a lot of oil. As you can see, you don't need to use a lot of oil. This is a very healthy cooking, tasty and healthy cooking. Here we go. And then if you want, you can put your liquid from the bag. Wow, there's a lot of fog in the kitchen. So let's see, take off some fog, and look how beautiful, amazing. What do you think? And I'm gonna show you also when I cut it, the quality of the meat. So keep watching, and here, yes, here it is, beautiful, nice, flavored, nice and tasty. Let's see what's happened now, and I'll put it up for you, and this is my lunch. Okay, so here we go. We have our chicken, and we take all the flavor from the natural juice of there we go. Okay, my friend, I hope you enjoy this video and all the others that I made for the beautiful, amazing community of YouTubers. If you like this video and if you want to know more about myself, about my next videos, please help me to grow this channel, and subscribe, share with your friends, and let's grow this beautiful community of YouTubers. Keep in touch, and thanks for watching.